Salamat sa sponsors. Sa hit nyo to.
Finally, we are eating lunch. Nasaan tayo ngayon? Where are we? Are we in San Francisco? Oh my goodness. Nasa Baguio po kami. And yan, super authentic. May mga pausok-usok pa. Okay, may mga tinakasan kami. Okay, is it good? Okay, so anong ulam natin ngayon? This is ginataan. Dinangdang na may mushroom. And what's this? Pinapaitan? Oh wow, that's a lot of rice. Ayan po, maraming salamat po sa ating sponsor na nandoon sa dulo. Si Diyang. Thank you. Ano, kakanta na ba tayo ng thank you para hindi na siya maka-back out? I can't believe that we are in Baguio right now. So this was just a simple talk, simple idea yesterday, and we actually did it. Okay, so we're gonna go and eat now. Well, I'm gonna go eat now. Been eating.